You can.
Alright guys. Oh my god, legends. Alright guys, we're back with another FIFA 16 pack opening. It's about sixth time I'm trying to do it. He's got legend, no Ronaldo. Sixth time I'm trying to do it, but some gangster gaming can't even record. Stupid little shit. So we are back with another FIFA 16 pack opening with gangster gaming and Matt. Say hi, Matt. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Hello. Okay, let's get into it. George, this is how you record. The face. Mate, Lewandowski, look at that face.
And we got Shrek.
And we just got Shrek. We got Shrek. Mate, that face though. The face. Say hi, George.
Hi.
Oh, we just got Goethe. Oh my god. Oh, he just got Neuer. Oh my god.
Pato.
Pato. Hero Lewandowski. What's your problem, George? Mate, he just got Ronaldo. Oh, Matic. I know, right? Oh, I can't be asked to show that hero. That is so crap. Oh my god, Matt. Suck, girl. Oh, gosh.
These packs are terrible.
Oh, mate, he just got him from Ozil, and he got Ozil.
Oh, got
Mate, thicker. No swearing involved. Oh, he just got... Wow. Matt, I'll show your face if you do that one more time. You got Bale. You're right. Look at the face.
We got legend.
We got legend. Lemon. Have you got any lemon? Brummer. The face.
Sick pace though.
Sick pace though. 93 pace. Oh, suck girl. Oh, Van Persie. Oh, he just got Neuer. Oh my god. The stats. Oh. Listen to this sound. Oh wow, it's gone. Oh, it's got Hazard. Legend. Very. Mate, Schweinsteiger, the face. Mate, Ronaldo in hero. Oh my god, what have we got? Check. Look at the face. Oh, Hazard. Oh, import. No, legend, Zola. George, you don't get no quiz. Hazard, Courtois. Mate, Iniesta. Mate, Oscar. Just watch it from a camera, you idiot.
What? I can't see the mouse on the camera.
Yeah, you can, I can.
Yeah, no, now I can.
Mate, Lewandowski.
See, then I can't see it. You're just going over to Matt's computer.
Matty boy. Alba. Jordi, Alaba.
This is taking way too long.
We can't get rid of our coins. Suarez, mate. The biter. Look at the coins. Happy hour. Look at the goal. Neuer. Look at the stats.
Oh, that commentary's so bad.
Oh, we just got Suarez. Oh my god. Alright, I'll do my real voice now. Ramos. Oh, and Martial. Mate, we just got Bale. Mate, he just got Neymar.
Turn off the computer pack.
Can you see us? Hello? George, move your head. Oh, we just got fans of Alaba.
Fabregas is shocking. That face though. What the hell happened there?
Boateng.
That's
legend level. Benzema. Ribery. Benzema. Oh my god. Oh, okay. Oh my god. Suarez, mate. Suarez. Dede. Oh, De Boer.
he's like the worst legend.
Is he?
Yeah.
How do you know? Oh, Robin. Look at the coins. Look at the happy hour. No, Robin again. Oh, Bremer. Legend. Ribery. Oh, Ribery on ours as well.
I better not hold my face.
Did it? No. Neymar. Oh, and Jamie Vardy. Look at the coins.
91.
Mate, Matthew. Oh, it's him. It's his granddad. Oh, De Boer. Rodriguez. George, open it. Oh, wait, no. Mate, Hazard. Mate, Jamie Vardy. Oh, Ozil. We just got Ozil.
These are all shocking.
Mate, we just got Bale. Oh, Lewandowski and Royce, mate.
Wait,
What are you doing?
Oh, you're actually saving some.
Yes, finally.
Mate, Boateng. We just got Boateng.
I would be saving some, but
Legend.
Oh, good shot, Suarez, mate. Why are you saving Suarez, mate?
because he's 90.
Mate, Hazard.
What the hell? Why?
You screaming?
The noise. I know what to do. The hack pack. Yeah.
Guys, we're gonna do the hack. Gangster Gaming, aka George, is gonna do the hack pack.
You just keep.
Cruise. Oh, and we got another one. Go. This is a hack pack. Oh, the coin's double. Aww. Alright guys, this is the end of this FIFA 16 pack opening. Hope you guys like. Please subscribe and like. Peace. One more pack then.
Oh, shit. Do this one.
Alright guys, this is the end of this video. I hope you guys like. Please like and subscribe. Peace.